Hey friends, if your Windows computer is stuck or frozen on the screensaver itself, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's one common situation when it happens. So, if you have migrated from Windows 10 to Windows 11, this issue will be very common, and I'll tell you why. Because the RAM requirement for Windows 11 is very considerable. It is 8 GB. For Windows 10, it was 4 GB, the recommended requirement. So that's what causes this problem. So to solve this, the first solution would be to use the extra RAM slot and add RAM. Now, the second solution will be to update the graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first display adapter and select Update Driver, and then search automatically for drivers. And second one, update this as well. The next solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution will be a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Select next and then select a good restore point, or choose a different restore point and select a good restore point. Click on next and then finally select on finish and then click on yes to initiate the system restore process on your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.